Today we'll talk about how can you disable platform notifications on your app. So we're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Olymptrade app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. You just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, click here on settings. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications here. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to platform. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here platform notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.